Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Chuck's test riding the Zuma build, PREBUG, BWS. The people who comment that, they don't understand. It's sold as Zuma in America. BWS boost everywhere else. It's running a little rich. What do you think?
I like it.
Running a little rich though, huh?
A little rich.
It's 115, I need a 112. Besides the slippery seat, how is it though?
Cherry.
Cherry?
That slippery seat is scary.
Dude, it's scary. I'm telling you. You hit the gas and you literally slide from here to this. You feel it, yeah, all the way. It's so bad. Boys, we're rolling out on a straight mission today. It is like 110 maybe outside. It's super hot outside. We're about to go meet up with Chuck and get some riding in. We're mobbing out to the stratosphere, like the tallest building right there. Oh, there's a trick to the camelbacks out here too. You can't let the water sit in the line right there, otherwise it bakes in the sun and your first drink is actually hot. You literally have to blow the water back in backwards, and that way when you go to drink it, it's a fresh pack. I put ice in there too. The wonderful Las Vegas Strip, which is honestly nothing. Dude, I cannot imagine wanting to take vacation in Vegas. Really just the same exact slot machines, and every single casino, they just have different decorations and different carpet. And then we have a bunch of dirt. We have like no hills either. Nope, not here. Flat desert. You think homie right here is a mop boy? This thing runs good on temps, kind of runs weird at the top end. Needs a little carb tuning.
I'm not the one, okay?
Do something.
I'm not the one.
Do something.
No, you walk up to that trumpet man right there.
This guy's going crazy right now. For what? Oh man, look at this dude right now. Hey, relax. It's alright. This dude's tripping on us. Relax. Relax, fool. You need to chill out. You too old, man. You need to chill the dude, I'll know out, bro. You need to relax, bro. Your job ain't worth it, bro.
That's what I'm saying. See, you want to let the person.
That man's is geeking for what? That man's is geeking. What up? Big bump. Yup. 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 All the way, wheelies to the airport, baby. Yup. Yup. He's getting it back there. Look at that rear fender. coasting. See, Chuck putting it steep now. Yup. Yup. Coasting. Yup. Had to pull up to the gas station and get an ice cream sandwich, bro. It's too hot out here. Rode around the whole damn perimeter of Vegas pretty much. Through and around. Slow down. Hey, I said we were going 56. That thing said 56. I wonder if that's accurate. Yeah. The Dio smashing. The Dio just has a different type of pull. Hit the turn. I suck at turning to the right. See, left I got.
Fingers are cramped.
Yep. Catch up the Chuck. Oh, you seen that coaster? Yup, Chuck getting it slow. Chuck's getting the slow wheelies now. Yup. You were going way back too. You were like chilling, yeah. Yups. He had to save it. He took off on me. Get all close. bumpy right here. So bumpy. Red and black grips to get rid of these grips. I really dislike these grips. These dominoes. These things are really thick and just weird feeling when you grab them. I don't know. I'm gonna throw these on real quick on this bike. We got some new grips on there, baby. Some new NCY grips. You guys think I should put the Yasuni R on this bike for the wheelie bike, or do you think this is a better wheelie pipe? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this Leo Vince pipe. So we're about to go mob go-karts and go racing with the boys. But I'm gonna bring my GoPro because I'm gonna bring my helmet. So I'm just gonna put the clips in right here. You see that? You see? That's all you're gonna be seeing. Nah. Yeah. That's all you're gonna be seeing.
31?
Damn, I got a big chunk out my wheel missing. We're out here, son. These aren't as fast as I remember them being when I was a kid. You gotta be gripping the whole time. You gotta keep that momentum going. I'm out now. They shouldn't have let me get this far ahead because I'm out now. I don't know what happened, but Logan just had to swap out carts, but your boy's about to pass Logan now. I'm coming up on him. That just lost me so much speed. Juan's way ahead already. That's so sus. Oh, this cart's so much faster. Dude, they gave us slow carts last time. What the corner? Totally different braking. I gotta catch Juan. Juan's right there. Here we go, Juan. I'm coming for you, boy. Yeah, look back, boy. I see that MOPBOYZ shirt. I'm coming in hot, boy. I want that first place. Give me that first place, son. Oh, I'm on your door, son. I want that first place. Hey, I was on your ass, boy. Well, they gave us slow carts the first time for sure.
Yeah. What?
These were so much faster.
We gotta do the third one.